दी की नुसरत के लिए एक आसमां पर शोर है अब गया वक्त
got to know Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. Take a note, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. I got to know that he is the Messiah of the end times, of the latter days. And without accepting him, there is no Islam in this world. There is no Islam, no real essence of Islam in this world without Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. The interesting thing about it that I was born about 30 minutes after my brother. And 3 years, Allah take me to Jamaat after my brother because he is the firstborn. I actually visited this mosque and for the first time of my life. The first time I actually came here, there were 2 German brothers of 10 people who were praying. And this actually was very interesting for me because I have never seen German Muslims before. And he just came with a so beautiful and brotherly hug. He hugged me and this was really wonderful feeling. And he said, "You're welcome. You're welcome here every time. If you want to come, you can come every day. Even if you are praying your Christian prayer here or your Jewish prayer here, you can do whatever you want." I read some kalam and some shi'r, some poems of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad before, and subhanallah, I have never felt so much deep love from one person to the Rabb, to the Lord. I asked myself, do you want to have that life which you had before? Do you want to live a nonsense life where there is no real sense in it? And I decided for myself and for the purpose of peace of my heart, peace of my soul, that I want to change my life forever. And I want to be in this Jamaat and I want to die in this Jamaat.
हो गए हैं इसका मूजिब मेरे झुटलाने के दिन।